Hello, children. Welcome to my grammar class. Yesterday we have done adverbs. So, what are adverbs? The words which add something to the meaning of verb is known as adverb. जो वर्ब को एलोबरेट करे, एक्सप्लेन करे, वह एडवर्ब कहलाता है. अब वर्ब क्या है? एक्शन वर्ड्स और डूइंग वर्ड्स. ठीक है, तो जो भी इन एक्शंस को एलोबरेट करता है, डूइंग वर्ड्स को एक्सप्लेन करता है, वह एडवर्ब कहलाता है. सो yesterday I have explained you properly. Now today I am going to start with a small exercise. Let's start. Now here I have written fill in the blanks with correct adverbs. Fill in the blanks with correct adverbs. Okay, I'm going to read out the sentence and you just think and try to say what is the correct adverb over here. The child sleeps soundly. So first of all, as I have told you yesterday, we have to put some questions. So here I am putting question how. How child sleeps. How child sleeps. How. जो चाइल्ड है वो कैसा सो रहा है? कैसा? How. Soundly. So soundly is adverb over here. Soundly is adverb. How child sleeps? Soundly. So soundly is adverb. Okay. Now in the second sentence also we are going to put some questions and we'll answer the question. Then we'll come to know about the correct adverb. The sun shines brightly. The sun shines brightly. How does the sun shines? How? Again I am putting the question how. Sun कैसा shine कर रहा है? How does sun shine? Sun कैसे shine करता है? Brightly. तो brightly is adverb over here. Brightly is adverb over here. Okay? How does the child sleep? Soundly. Soundly is the adverb. The sun shines brightly. How does the sun shines? Brightly. So brightly is the adverb. Ram rises early. Now here I am putting some other question. When Ram rises? When? I am not putting question how. When? Ram कब उठता है? When? Early. Ram rises early. वह सुबह जल्दी उठता है राम. तो early is adverb over here. It is answering the question when. It is answering the question when. Okay. Now the next sentence, number 4. We should always speak the truth. We should always speak the truth. When we should speak the truth? When? Always. I am putting the question when. हमें सच कब बोलना है? So what is written over here? Always. हमेशा ही बोलना है सच. ऐसा नहीं कि कभी झूठ कभी सच. Always we have to speak the truth. So always is the adverb over here. We should always speak the truth. When we should speak? Always. So always is adverb here. Always is adverb here. Then number 5. The boy is standing outside. Now here I am putting the question where. Where this boy is standing? कहाँ खड़ा हुआ है boy? Where he is standing? Where? Not how, not when. Where? बच्चा कहाँ खड़ा है, वो बॉय कहाँ खड़ा है, outside. So outside is adverb over here. Outside is adverb over here. Where, it is answering the question where. Where is this boy standing? Outside. So outside is adverb. Now the last one, we looked for him everywhere. हमने उसको सब जगह ढूंढा, पर वो मिला क्या, शायद नहीं, शायद हाँ. It is not the answer that we have to give, but we are answering the question where. Where you have looked. उसको आपने कहाँ देखा, here or there, everywhere. हमने उसको सब दूर देख लिया, everywhere we have looked for him. We have searched him everywhere. So everywhere is adverb over here. Everywhere is adverb over here. Is it clear? We looked for him everywhere. Now again I am just revising the sentences. Look very carefully. The child sleeps soundly. How does the child sleep? Soundly. So soundly is the adverb. The sun shines brightly. How? How the sun shines? Brightly. So brightly is the adverb here. Ram rises early. When Ram rises? When? Early. So early is adverb. Okay. We should always speak the truth. हमें हमेशा सच बोलना है. कब सच बोलना है? हमेशा. Always. So always is adverb over here. Always is adverb. The boy is standing outside. Where the boy is standing? Now I am putting the question where. Boy कहाँ खड़ा हुआ है? Outside. So outside is adverb. We looked for him everywhere. हमने उसको हर जगह देखा, हर जगह ढूंढा. तो everywhere is adverb here. Okay. So children, this is a small exercise of adverbs. I think it is clear now. The words which add something to the meaning of verb is known as adverb. Okay. Now one more small exercise I am going to do. Just see very carefully and also listen very carefully. Wait. So children, our next exercise is fill in the blanks with correct adverbs. In the previous exercise, by mistake, I have written fill in the blanks. That was underline the correct adjectives. Underline the correct adverbs. Okay, the previous exercise was underline the correct adverbs. Now this is fill in the blanks. You have to fill the blanks with the correct and or appropriate adverbs. Think and try to fill. Old people walk. Now how old people walk? Do they walk very fast? Do they run? No, they don't run fast. They don't walk quickly. How they walk? Slowly, 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 slowly. है ना? Old people walk slowly. So slowly is adverb over here. slowly. Old people walk slowly. Okay. Now the next one. The sky is blank and the earth is blank. Now, where is the sky? Sky is? Where is the sky? Where is the sky, children? Above. Above overhead. हमारे सिर के ऊपर है ना. Above. It is not here. above. So above is adverb over here. The sky is above. A B O B E. The sky is above and the earth is, और अर्थ कहाँ है? अर्थ इज बिलो. अर्थ नीचे है. The sky is above and the earth is below. Is it clear? So both above and below are adverbs. The earth is below. The earth is below. Now the postman knocked. The postman knocked the door. Which adverb should I write over here? The postman knocked the door loudly. उसने बहुत जोर से नॉक करा, तभी तो आपको सुनाई देगा. वो स्लोली 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 ऐसे ऐसे हल्के हल्के नॉक करेगा तो कैन यू हियर? नो, यू कांट हियर. जब वो लाउडली इसको नॉक करेगा तो लाउडली इज the postman knocked loudly. Okay? Then she dash filled the answers. उसने आंसर्स जल्दी से फिल करे. उसने आंसर्स कैसे करे? जल्दी से. It can be slowly also, but slowly we have already filled over here. We will not write slowly. She quickly filled the answers. So quickly is adverb. Quickly is adverb over here. Okay. She quickly filled the answers. She quickly filled the answers. So quickly is adverb. Then the next one, number 5. It is good thing to go to bed. It is good thing we should go to bed early. And we should get up early also. We should go to bed early and we should get up also early. है ना? So early. Early is adverb, as I told you before. Where? We are answering where. Sorry, when. When we should get up, when we should sleep. Early. Okay. Then the last one, wasted time dash returns. Wasted time dash returns. Wasted time, जो टाइम बच्चे वेस्ट करते हैं या जो हम लोग टाइम वेस्ट करते हैं, क्या वह वापस लौट के आता है? नेवर. कभी नहीं. वेस्टेड टाइम कभी वापस लौट के नहीं आता है. कभी नहीं को क्या बोलते हैं इंग्लिश में? नेवर. We are going to write, I am going to write over here never. So never is adverb. Wasted time never returns. Okay? Wasted time never returns. So here old people walk slowly. Slowly is adverb. The sky is above and the earth is below. Above and below both are adverb. The postman knocked loudly. So loudly is adverb. She quickly filled the answers. Quickly. Quickly is the adverb. It is good thing to go to bed early. Early is adverb. Wasted time never returns. Never is adverb. So I think children, it is clear to you now what are adverbs, and we have done small 2 exercises also today. Underline the correct adverbs and also fill in the blanks with the correct adverbs. So I think it's clear. जो वर्ब को एलुबरेट करते हैं, एक्सप्लेन करते हैं, वह एडवर्ब कहलाते हैं. ठीक है. वर्ब क्या होते हैं? एक्शन वर्ड्स होते हैं, डूइंग वर्ड्स होते हैं, जिसमें कुछ एक्शन होता है, जो आपके एक्शन के बारे में बताएं कि ये आपका एक्शन कैसा है. शी सिंग्स स्वीटली. आपका एक्शन कैसा है? सिंग तो हो गया एक्शन, और स्वीटली क्या हो गया? एडवर्ब, है ना. शी इज रनिंग वेरी फास्ट. तो फास्ट रनिंग क्या हो गया? वर्ब, है ना. और इसको एलुबरेट कौन सा वर्ड कर रहा है? वेरी फास्ट, है ना. तो फास्ट इज एडवर्ब. तो आपको बस यह क्लियरली आपके माइंड में सेटअप कर लीजिएगा कि जो आपके वर्ब को एलुबरेट करे या एक्सप्लेन करे वह एडवर्ब कहलाता है. But in some cases, it is also elaborating and explaining adjectives in some cases. Okay? Now, from tomorrow, I'm going to start with kinds of adverbs. Okay? Bye now. That's all for today. Obey your parents, obey your teachers, study very hard, and help all members of your family, or your friends, your teachers, help each and everyone. And the most important thing, love all beings. Don't hate anyone. Love all, hate none. Bye-bye.